Hi guys. Today, this is the last one of the day. If I make one more, it's because Brad's not here and I want to celebrate with you guys my, I don't know how many subscribers anniversary.
I have an idea.
Or no, night.
We're gonna show the puppy. I'm gonna 1 second. Hey, come on, guys. I'm gonna show you something so cute. You're gonna run. Look, this puppy. Oh, you can see it.
Get fully down.
Look, the puppy. Look, get up. Okay, come, guys, come. Look. Tell me, you. I'm on it.
So guys, I'm gonna keep recording like that, and then guys, we're going back to the slime channel. Back to the slime channel.
Oye, pero no paraste.
No.
Ah, okay. What? We talking in Spanish.
Ana.
¿Se puede hablar español en el YouTube channel?
Sí, solo cuando estoy hablando con.
¿Podemos hablar en español?
No, inglés. Guys, back to the slime channel. As I said, back to the slime channel. So we're talking about the slime. Why is the slime fluffy sometimes? I feel like it's fluffy sometimes because it's ugly and dumb. Do you like my jokes?
What? What is so sunny?
That's probably the sun.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot.
Yeah, it's so hot over in the
Your finger!
You got me a rug, baby man.
Okay, guys. Bye. Bye. Because I'm going to look the puppy for she's not sad. Bye.
Yeah, she's going to the puppy place. Say bye. Goodbye, Ariel. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
This is
Okay,
saying pink to your purple. Like girly. It's not babe. I put on a. Oh wait, guys.